Is the way you have each other's back. I see a very united front, and I see it's like old friends getting together.
You can see lots of fellows from Indian University Lahore. I'm just so happy to see you all, and you guys are also the part of this alumni association. These all the sisters.
FAST-NU Alumni Canada, known as FANAC, hosted its third summit featuring inspiring discussions on innovation, leadership, and the future of AI.
The event featured a powerful keynote on the new Startup Playbook in the age of artificial intelligence. Let's watch the special report with Mehboob Shaikh on Voice of Canadians.
Under the glow of ambition and the spirit of community, an unforgettable evening came to life. The 92E Summit and 3rd Annual Soiree 2026, powered by TD, was more than an event. It was a celebration of vision, unity, and unstoppable momentum. Led by FAST-NU Alumni Canada President Rafaeel Akbar Chaudhry, alongside an exceptional board and dedicated volunteers, the evening brought together innovators, professionals, entrepreneurs, and changemakers from across Canada. The night's keynote, the new Startup Playbook in the age of AI, delivered by Fahad Aziz, founder and CEO of PuppyDog.io, challenged the audience to think beyond convention. His message was clear: the future is already here, and those willing to adapt, innovate, and lead will define what comes. Equally impactful was the powerful panel discussion on navigating careers as people of color. Jahanzaib Ansari, Aazar Zafar, and Aneela Zaib shared stories of resilience, growth, and determination, offering not only professional insight but personal truth. Their voices resonated deeply with a room filled with future leaders carving paths of their own. Behind this remarkable gathering stands FAST-NU Alumni Canada, FANAC, a thriving network built on legacy, mentorship, and impact. With roots tracing back to FAST-NUCES in 1980 and a global alumni community of over 50,000 graduates, FANAC continues to empower professionals, support newcomers, and create opportunities for generations to come. This is more than an alumni association. The evening also featured thought-provoking presentations from the AST team, inspiring attendees to embrace change and prepare for the future with confidence. And with remarks from respected Member of Parliament and UET Teshi, Kwarthi Beni Kakrachi, T alumnus Aslam Rana, the night was further grounded in the values of education, unity, and service. But beyond the speeches, beyond the accolades, beyond the spotlight, what truly defined the night was a feeling, a sense of belonging, a sense of purpose, a belief that together greater things are possible. Because nights like these do not end when the lights dim. They live on in the ideas that were sparked, the connections that were formed, and the determination carried forward by every person in the room. A night of vision, unity, and unstoppable momentum. The journey is only beginning. Voice of Canadians.
What strikes me about this group is the way you have each other's back. I see a very united front, and I see it's like old friends getting together. And I was asking about also, I'm not going to stand between you and food. I know it's a long evening, so a round of applause for all of you for coming out and staying here. Thank you.
Alumni association, I can see lots of fellows from Indian University Lahore, Shaukat Bhai, Salim Bhai, and Irfan Bhai, Tahir Bhai, Bhatt Saab, Chishti Saab. I'm really so happy to see you all, and you guys are also the part of this alumni association. These all the sister associations, especially I was NED alumni association a few months back over there as well. So the way you guys are welcoming all those the newcomers, especially skilled workers, they're coming here and you guys help them to go to school, to get to improve their education and get settled and be the part of this lively and beautiful community. It's amazing.